Here we go. This is Doodle with Trev, Volume 2. And today, I'm going to be doing furries, fan boats, and the Mississippi Bayou. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is the most bizarre thing I've ever heard of. And you're right. But you know what? We're going to have some fun with this. So let's just go for it. Yeah. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background. Let's make it let's go with that color. Yeah. Actually, so I'm trying to get like the water going here. And the most important thing, yeah, I think that'll do. So what I'm first going to do is I'm actually going to create a little furry character that I've just sort of made up here. So I'm just going to zoom in here. And I'm going to create a little furry. Put the legs on it. Put the arms on it. And that's sort of the body of the furry. And then what I'm going to do, let's make this a little thinner here. I'm going to add just some hair all over. Yeah, there we go. The furry. Add some unique little hair. Just keep adding it, adding it, adding it, adding it, adding it. Yeah. Yep. And let's maybe add some whiskers. Maybe some eyebrows. There we go. So this is the furry. And he's looking extra furry today, but that's fine. Let me just maybe add a little bit more hair to the head. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add maybe some yellowish ears. There we go. Big yellowish ears. And I'm gonna round this out here with kind of like an ear outline. Here we go. Almost like earmuffs in a sense. There we go. Kind of like a monkey-like flavor to it. That works. I'm just gonna add some eraser action here. Let's see if this works. Oh, that's actually the chalk. So I'm gonna undo that. Go to the eraser here. Yeah, that's good. Okay, next. I'm gonna add my fan boat because this is the Mississippi Bayou. Here we go. So here's my boat. And then here's sort of my fan. I might add some propellers to it. And then maybe add a little bit more dimension to it. Let's just see here. I'm just kind of coming up with this on the fly. There we go. And then maybe add like kind of like wind marks there. Yeah, maybe. Maybe add a little anchor. There we go. That's our little boat there. There's our fan boat in the Mississippi Bayou. And next, what I want to do is I want to add. It's looking pretty lonely here, so I'm thinking I'm going to add another furry. Maybe in a different boat. I think what we're going to do here, let's make this almost like a race. Furries, fan boat race, and the Mississippi Bayou. That's what I like. Yeah, I like the sound of that. So what I'll do, let me create another character. And I'm thinking this one's going to be really extra furry. Let's add another layer here. Yeah. An extra furry character. And make him a little bit more robust in the head, but tiny in the body. And with like oversized arms and really tiny feet. And then really close eyes and mouth. And I'm already loving this guy. He's just looking really cute. I feel like we could just stop right there, but we gotta make him furry. Maybe let's add like something crazy to his hair. And like maybe add some ears here. Yeah. And then I gotta add freckles, you know? I'm really feeling it with the freckles. And then I really don't want to do much else. Maybe just add like more hair. As long as it's got some hair in the top. And then some side hair. Let's add some hair down here. It could be like beard hair. Yeah, let's just add some beard hair. Yeah, there we go. Oh man, I'm loving this one. Once you kind of get into a rhythm, you know, you can get really fun, creative with it, you know, just have a lot of fun. Yeah, I'm good with that. He almost looks very Mississippian. I don't even know if that's a term, but we're gonna make it up for this one. Okay, I going to draw the fan boat here. And I'm not going to add another layer for this, okay? I think we can just do the fan boat right here. I feel like this guy should be out ahead, but what I'm going to do is make like a massive boat just for him. And like give the little fan. Okay, that looks more like a fan boat. That's the way I want it. Yeah. Here we go. I am liking this one. Let's give him, I don't know, like a flower petal. A flower petal for the. Let's just stick with black here. Keep it consistent. Let's do a little flower. And you know what? It could even be a fan. It almost looks like a pirate flower. Arr. Okay. That's a really nice character there. Yeah, I'm really digging that furry. Okay. Last character. Okay. Last character. And you know what? I'm gonna do. Okay. You're gonna laugh at this one, but I think this is gonna be a fun one. Let's do a star shape. There we go. Yeah. I'm liking it. And then we'll add like a side smile. Here we go. A star shape. And you're probably thinking, wow, how is this gonna be furry? Oh, don't you worry. We'll make the star furry. The star of the show. We will make this character very furry. First, a unibrow. Because there's nothing furrier than a unibrow. Let's add some more furriness to this unibrow. There we go. Okay, now let's get super furry with this character. Let's go all out. Furry. And that's the thing about doodling, is you could just have fun with it. And you never know what you'll come up with. It starts with that blank canvas, though, you know? The blank canvas. And just kind of feeling the moment and sticking with it. Because you never know what you're going to create unless you start something. And it could even be a masterpiece, but you won't know until it happens. What I'm going to do is add some yellow. I'm just feeling it. I'm feeling the yellow. Let's go with some yellow shading. I don't know. I'm just feeling it. I'm just sort of kind of creating here. Well, let's go with a thinner stroke here. A thinner brush stroke would be good. And then just round it out a bit more. Okay. Ooh, I'm liking that. Very, very nice. Okay, let's get super furry now. Let's go back to black. And we'll add some furriness here. Here we go. Yeah. That's good. Yeah. Just extra furriness. I don't know if I want to make it as furry as the first character. So I might just sort of do it on the edges here. And then go on to, I'm actually coming up with like another character in mind as I'm just sort of drawing this out. So what I'll do is I'll make this boat. I think that character looks good. It's hairy on one side, and that's just the way I like it. Actually, I think I'm good with these three characters because I've got some other stuff I've got to fill in here to make this look like a bayou. So let's add the boat. Let's add the boat in and then move on to the next. The next portion is kind of like landscaping. And what I'm feeling for this is a nice half circle shaped boat. And then I might add like a sail. Yeah. There we go. Oh, like a little sailboat. Of course, we gotta add the fan. So what I'm gonna do here. There we go. As long as, this is the slowest character, so his fan boat should not be as fast as the others. He's got like the little propeller, big boat. It naturally would make sense that he's the slowest. And there we go. Maybe add we'll add a skull here. But it's not like the skull that you would think, And then, this almost looks like a fan as well. And almost like a light bulb instead. Let's just do a light bulb. You never know what you're gonna create. You know what? I just came up with a unique idea here. Why not just make this a light bulb? Yep, yep. We'll make it the light bulb. Here we go. Fill that in nice. Add. Okay. Yeah, that works. The star with the light bulb. Consistent colors. Okay, we got our 3 characters here. Next, we're gonna wrap this up. And we're gonna add some landscape. Because I want to make this feel like the bayou that we know and love. The Mississippi Bayou. So I'm gonna add some dead trees. Just so that you know that this is a bayou. I don't like that. That doesn't feel good. Okay, better. There we go. And we're adding water waves, just to make it feel like, yeah, that's water. Okay, tree there. Let's add like a yeah, there we go. I'm feeling good about that. I'll just add some additional. And I don't know too much about a bayou. I've always sort of wanted to go into like Mississippi and Louisiana. I feel like I'm missing out. It's got a lot of character to it. And what I'm thinking down here, maybe do like a grassy patch. Let's do a grassy patch. I'll do some grass. And add some. Yep. And we'll add some green down here. Just kind of make it feel like it's a grass, like a, it's water, but it's also, it's also that bayou. That's what you want, the Mississippi Bayou here. And then go back, maybe add like another tree branch. And we're really going along with this, and I'm feeling it. And we'll add some grass up here. I wasn't a fan of the green, so maybe I'll just do black here. I'll just add this kind of this brushiness, make it very, very Mississippian indeed. It just fills it up real nice. And okay, that's good. Yeah, add some brushiness. Let's go with like a longer pieces here. Okay. We'll do one more tree trunk. There we go. And it's reaching up. It's saying, oh, help me. I'm stuck in the bayou. Okay. I think we're good. So that's our doodle of the furries, the fan boats, in the Mississippi Bayou. That was fun. Okay. Till next time. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Boy, you never really know what you're going to come up with, but